Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Real Estate.
First, I want to thank every one of you for being very peaceful. Very, very, very peaceful. You see, I didn't make any mistake when I said we need to follow this trouble with a different tactics. We have very special egg. Not this your good egg that everybody can get anywhere. We have very special egg that we are carrying. And somebody is coming to fight you. You need to fight the person. You need to use your two hands to grab the basket of the egg. Even if the person is chasing you, you stand and look for a way to protect your surrounding. Because you can run and hit your foot, the egg basket will fall. Who is going to lose? It's you. You can see why we are very careful and we are following this course with AI. They thought I wrote that because from the analysis at that time, they would always think that they have failed. So if today, these same persons have resolved to another pattern, it means that you are won. So I've invited every one of you to give you first the assurance that you have my total support to make sure that we drive this course to the end. First, because the support is what you need. Secondly, but at least I understand that it has nothing to do with any federal agency. It's a state matter. And thirdly, the beginning of this process to the end is between our own. It has nothing to do with any federal judicial institution. So we should understand this fact and play according to the rule. Now the second part of it is we need to go out there and tell the world that we don't hire people from OBC to come and protest. We bring people from the boundary between Imo and Obenuma. I don't call them. We also bring people from the boundary near Akwa so that they enter Canada and come and protest the people that are going to participate in this election, the numbers that we are going to record, are the real indigents of the state. You know, this election, I'm the greatest loser. My party is not participating. It's the truth. But because of the Supreme Court ruling that there must be elected officials to manage the affairs of local government, I have to, as a president, as a governor, I have to obey that. It did not end there. The president, after the Supreme Court invited us, and we had an understanding that to have a compliance duration of 90 days. So what we're doing here is to make sure that even if my party is not participating, the council process must stand for the next. The good number of you here, and my party fell through. Yes, and you're not even benefiting from it. And you're here supporting us. So what is the problem? So I want to thank you for supporting democracy. I want to thank you for ensuring that there is rule of law. I want to thank you for sticking your leg out to make sure that Rivers State still stands among the committee of states. 10 states have conducted election with 2023 voters registered. These 10 states did not receive any voters registered from INEC. I don't know why the Rivers State is different. Is it that when it comes to the law of the federal government of Nigeria, when it concerns Rivers State, it's to assure you that as a government we are prepared to support the electoral body to conduct a free, fair, and credible election for the peaceful day of Rivers State. Thank you. Everyone, go to your LG, follow the process, without avoiding no violence. They are seeking for violence. They are looking for a way to destroy things, and don't give them the opportunity. Go, do what the law says you should do by the recent law, and leave the rest. Recent will take it from there. And when recent finishes its own, the government will also take it from that point and finish its own. And the process will all be consummated by the special grace of God in a few days coming. So let me thank our leaders, our very respected leaders, our leaders that have names. It's the truth. Our leaders that have names. It's not leaders that are there because they cannot say the truth. And the leaders that have names, that is the ones we have. And these are the true vectors of Rivers State. Thank you for standing with us and showing you with your strength, we will continue to lift, stand on the flag, and will not let the flag of Rivers State down by any means.
Huh? Not them,